The most inexpensive business that anyone can get involved in. I don't want to say the name. The reason why I have not said have said the name of the business opportunity is because um, what people will do is they will go and they would do a review on it, right? And they might find one negative thing, and there's nothing negative about the company, but you have negative people out here, and you just have negative people as well as you have positive people. You also have negative people as well, and you're always going to have that one negative person that's going to try to say something negative about a company, and it could be the most best company out there is on online. But the reason why they are doing that is because they're trying to do is try to say something bad or say something negative about a company just so that people can join them and join their company so that way they can make a commission and make a sell. So that way it'll make them look good. But that's wrong. That's bad. They will undercut, you know what I'm saying? They will undercut another company just so that way they can look good and that way they can make money. I would never do anything like that. First of all, that's not honest. That's not honest. That's not honesty. That's not loyalty. That's not integrity. And it's unethical to do such a thing like that. You got to call things for what they are. You know what I'm saying? If a company is good, it's good. If it's bad, it's bad. The company that I'm promoting is, like I said yesterday, and also in other videos that I have done, is backed by the BBB Better Business Bureau. They have an A+ rating. Yeah, so that's the only reason why I haven't mentioned the company's name. But other than that, it's an amazing opportunity. You can start as little as $20 at the gold level, or you come in at the the premium, and come in at the $100 level, or you can come in at the $199 level, at the titanium level, and that's the highest level. That's the most popular. I'm not at the most popular. I'm not at the most inexpensive. I'm in the middle. I'm at the $100 level, and it's nice. And you can't ask for nothing better than that. It doesn't get any better than that to come in and start a business as that inexpensive, that cheap. Where can you find that at? You can't find that at nowhere. So this opportunity is by invitation only. So I'm inviting people to join, and for that price alone, it's worth it. Without even the business opportunity, just with the discounts alone, just being able to get your bills lowered alone is worth it. It's way more than worth it. And then also getting discounts on the restaurants and getting discounts on airline tickets and hotels and other perks that come with it. I mean, you can't ask for nothing better than that. It's amazing to me. So if anyone is interested in the opportunity and, also helping other people save money and lower their bills and also earn an income on top of that, and also creating financial freedom, click the link below and get started as soon as possible. All right. Bye for now.